This video is sponsored by our friends over at Noggin. Learn how they keep this channel going at the end of the video. I've made it. I'm at the very bottom of the Flatlantic Ocean.
Life Nugget, what are you doing here?
James, what are you doing here? This is the bottom of the ocean, in my world.
Duh, you intelligent little magic eraser. I come here in between uploads to get away from all the stress.
Ooh, well, I know a fun thing that we could—
Now, this is my relaxation week. I'm going back into my top secret ocean house. Wait a minute, are you filming this? This location is a secret.
That's
it! I'm getting my trident!
we're leaving. Triangle Bob, cut the camera. Psst, you can get turned into a Life Noggin character. Seriously, find the Gleam contest link in the description to enter. Hey there, welcome to Life Noggin. The ocean is massive. It not only covers 71% of the Earth's surface, but it also extends 5.8 kilometers down to the ocean floor. And some trenches go even further down, to over 11 kilometers. All these depths are frigid temperatures, immense pressures, and endless darkness. Kinda sounds like my time in middle school. Anyway, not exactly a prime real estate location. So what would life be like living down there? Well, the last traces of sunlight end at about 1 kilometer down. Beyond that, it's completely dark, without sunlight. It's also freezing. Well, nearly. At about 2 kilometers, temperatures hit a low of about 2 degrees Celsius. But the real problem is the pressure. At the lowest point of the ocean, which is the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the pressure is 1,100 times greater than at sea level. This would feel like, I don't know, something random I'm just making up now, 100 elephants standing on your head. Release the elephants, Triangle Bob.
My coral roses! They're ruined!
Sorry, I'll clean that up later. This pressure would compress the oxygen and nitrogen that make up the air in your lungs, letting them dissolve into your bloodstream, which would cause some major problems, since it only takes about 75 meters for the amount of dissolved nitrogen to incapacitate divers. To survive at the bottom of the ocean, explorers use deep submergence vehicles, or DSVs, that are able to withstand the large amount of pressure thanks to their 9-centimeter thick walls. But while the most advanced DSV was built for dives lasting 4 days, the longest time anyone has ever spent at the bottom of the ocean was just 4 hours and 15 minutes. Though people have lived underwater for much longer than that. Crews on submarines stock enough food to stay submerged for about 3 months, though the pressure inside is the same as it is on land. After adjusting to the constant smells from the recycled air and never knowing whether it's day or night, their main problem is the lack of space in such a compact vessel. But there is a research facility located about 19 meters underwater where scientists can live at ocean pressure for as long as they want, though the longest anyone has spent is just 1 month.
Can someone tell me why there's a green shriveled up alien and a shrimp with muscular arms outside my door? What is happening?
These researchers have experienced some interesting side effects of living at higher pressure, including higher pitched voices, increased hunger, and a feeling of drunkenness from all the nitrogen in their blood. While that doesn't sound so bad, eventually breathing in the denser air would damage your circulation system, which does sound bad. So yeah, bottom of the ocean, scientifically speaking, your body gets a permanent owie. Wait, James, how are you able to survive down here after everything I just mentioned?
Probably because none of this is real. I'm made of pixies and will live forever. There are no rules. We will outlast all humanity.
Uh-oh. I think he's had too much nitrogen in the blood. I'm gonna get him back home. But my question to you, the beautiful person watching, would you take a vacation in the ocean, even for just a week? Let me know why or why not in the comments below. Or tell me, what should I talk about next? I've made over 400 videos on this channel. That's a lot. All those questions, all that research, how did I manage to keep track of all of it, connect with my team, and upload consistently? No, the answer isn't sacrifice 276 digital chickens to the internet and hope that it spares you. The secret is Noggin, an all-in-one workspace to handle even the most knowledge-packed projects like Life Noggin. I use it to brainstorm ideas with my team and keep tabs on the videos being worked on. But you can use it for life organization, managing school schoolwork, D&D world building, or planning your dream life you'll have when the world isn't on fire. Really, you can use Notion for anything that big brain of yours can think of. And don't worry, there are templates to help you get started. Oh, and my favorite part, you can automate things by connecting other apps. It'll just do a bunch of work for you. Now that's working smarter, which we like on this channel. Try Notion today. It's free, it's customizable, and it'll organize the chaos so you could breathe a little easier. Click the first link in the description right now to sign up and get started. Do all the things that help this channel grow, we really appreciate it. Click here to find out what your secret hidden age is, or click here to watch this video. And thank you to Lifespan.io, the team that powers Life Noggin. As always, my name is Blocko. This has been Life Noggin. Don't forget to keep on thinking.